This is what a school looks like in Kharkiv city. Schools have moved underground to protect the students and their staff from missile and drone strikes. Now, in this particular school, there are 241 students aged from 6 to 16 years of age, and across the city, there are 21 schools underground, in school facilities, in shelters, and in metro stations.
My name is Nicole, I'm 10 years old. I want to be a famous pianist.
My name is Artyom. I'm from Ukraine. I live in Kharkiv. I like to play chess. Chess is my favorite sport.
My name is Alona, I'm 11 years old. I want to be a dance coach.
Open your daybooks and write down your home task for the next lesson.
You know that it is very important for children to communicate, yes, and because of the situation in our country, because of the war, they stay at home for a long period of time. Yes, we know that the situation is awful, you know this, but our government decided to do such safety places for our children. The most important thing that they do not think about bombs and everything, because this place is really safety.
До побачення.